while I'm doing this. You can talk to me, see me. You're on camera. So if you don't like the camera, you could leave. You could get away from the camera, or you could talk to me through my microphone. I've been seeing you, hearing you, your footsteps, feeling your presence. So if you're around, you heard that?
It was me.
Besides that, I heard the footsteps right over here. As soon as they said that, I said that, they walked away.
Are we shutting the trunk?
Yes, go ahead. You guys are on my camera. Damn camera. Alright. Alright, what's up, JDM's Paranormals page? Welcome to my another haunted episode. This is one of my most favorite haunted spots of the cemeteries of the mall. I already got a few of them. I got like probably, what, 3-4 favorite haunted spots?
Yeah.
I already showed you guys one of them last time I did a video. Right now I'm at the other one. I'm at the Southern Nevada Memorial.
Veteran Memorial.
Veteran Memorial. This is really haunted. It's in Boulder City. So if you guys ever come down here, go ghost hunting, do your shows, do whatnot, go ahead. It's 24 hours. Just do not respect the workers here. Do not respect the deads here. Do not litter. Do not try to go to bathrooms in here. If you do, there will be a fine. But yeah, so I'm at the Southern Nevada Veterinary
Veteran
Memorial. So yeah, so we're going rock and roll. This is really haunted. And right, I should have recorded when I was getting ready, but I kid you guys not, I was hearing footsteps. And then right when I was driving up, I heard something going like that. You could actually see them, feel them touching you. You could feel their presence being here. You could feel, I don't know if they would let you guys feel them touching them or whatnot, but I think I see one right now, but I'm not for sure. But they really do get, what is that word that I'm looking for? I see one right there. It's a globe. It's a globe. It's a globe from that tree. Right there. There's a globe from that tree. And I just saw it. I shit you fucking not. You broke it? Sorry guys, but anyways, I just saw that globe. I hope some of you guys saw that on the camera, because I shit you fucking not. As soon as I said that, it started going away all the way over here. Yeah, this place is really freaking haunted, guys. Really haunted. You get a shitload of activities here inside this cemetery where I'm at right now, as you guys can see and tell.
I'll catch up.
Let me see the light. Again.
I'm scared.
It's really active right here, right now. Already getting hits already on my camera already. You guys can see it and go through it right now after this in a little bit when I'm done making this video. But man, I kid you guys not. This place is really haunted. As you can tell, as soon as I said that, and I shined the light at it, it disappeared. It started going fast. You guys are going to have to rewatch that video. Rewatch that video. So enjoy the show, and welcome to JDM's Paranormal page, guys. Enjoy the show. Peace. Word like it want to open. Alright, JDM's fan page. Right now, we're at the Southern Nevada Memorial Cemetery.
Kids' hands.
There's kids' hands on there?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God, look at this, guys. There's little kids' hands on there. You see that shit? That's some motherfucking proof right there that's haunted here. That's not my hands. That's not my girlfriend's hands. Look how tiny that is. That one looks like it's smeared. Like it just went up there and it was trying to get our attention.
Yeah.
And it got scared. Because you see how it's wiped? I knew I heard something right here touching the door. I knew it. You heard it too, huh?
Yeah. You're not recording?
I am recording.
Oh, okay.
Thank you for whoever's hands that was on the glass window for showing us that you're here. Look, now it's gone.
What is it?
No. Okay. That's crazy. Thank you for giving us the sign. Because there's nobody, right now, there's nobody around but us two. And she's right here. And she's really scared. And it is really haunted. Like, really, really bad. So this is the whole cemetery right here. This is where they, I believe, what? They cremated themselves? They cremate people here?
Yes.
Last time we were here, we didn't catch nothing. But now, for some reason, with me being here, they know I'm here. And they love it when I'm here. I feel really cold right now. So, if I'm not, like, trying to pay attention to you guys on the camera, don't mind it, because I'm trying to keep an ear out and an eye out on the spirits, because they could jump out and scare the shit out of you, and that's what I don't want. So, this is the whole cemetery. I hope we catch something on our cameras, on our microphone. Cremate people right here. I swear, I feel like they're watching us.
Well, this is a...
Thank you. What is this? Marines, Armies?
Yeah, this is Ralph Gordon Taylor, Major General.
What the fuck?
United States
You heard
Air
that
Force.
noise? You heard that noise? There was a tapping sound. Right in here. Like, I'm hearing a bunch of shit. Sorry if my shit's messing up on you guys, cause you see anything in there or feel anything in there? There's nobody here but us. Look how dark it is. You see anything in there? Because I'm hearing like footsteps. What was that? What the fuck was that? You heard that shit?
Yep.
We're on the outside right now of the cemetery, and we just heard a thunk up there on the roof. How the fuck can you hear a thunk on the roof if there's nobody around at the cemetery? Is that our car? I heard that thunk. Now I'm feeling sick in my damn stomach. You heard that, right?
Yeah, but I'm hearing it over there.
You're hearing it over there?
Yeah, in those bushes there, the streets.
It sounds like our car.
Nobody's around.
That's our car right there, and there's nobody around. See? That's the whole front. They know we're here. I wonder if I should get my EMF reader out.
They're walking.
What, you see the spirits walking?
No, I hear them.
You could hear them? Tell the camera what you said they saw or hear.
I just hear footsteps.
And right now, we don't have our spirit box on right now. But I kid you guys not, when I turned it on earlier, oh my God, you guys should have heard my girlfriend. When I turned it on, she went, see, I'm hearing glassing, like some type of glass, they're touching glass. But anyways, I turned that on, right? She jumped 5 feet up in the air from inside the back of our car trunk and went, ah! Like, I kid you not, like somebody was dying. I wish I would have got that on camera for you guys. It was hilarious. But yeah, I'm hearing freaking, like there's still the handprints from here.
Mm-hmm.
I think this might be little children's. Should we turn on the speaker box?
Okay.
Don't get too scared. Okay, spirits, these spirits are ready to talk to me? Ooh, I just got really sick right there. I'm hearing all kinds of shit. But yes, this is a really haunted cemetery there is. This one, and what was the other one? Palm Mortuary.
Or
Palm Eastern's Mortuary.
Eastern, yeah, Palm Mortuary Eastern.
That one's haunted. There's
the other one down
where
there?
your grandpa's at.
Yeah,
is
that's haunted.
That's haunted. That one's in Boulder City, just like this one is. So if you guys want the information of being haunted cemeteries, yeah, they're haunted. You got to go out certain late night when there's nobody around, and you guys will actually hear them and see them and feel them, their presence. I just heard that right here, like a little rock kicked. Really? I got this shit in the fucking camera.
This is spirit.
All right, we're going to turn on the spirit box. Don't get scared. What spirit's with me? Who's with me right now? Who? Who's with me? What did I say?
Cyrus?
Cyrus is with me?
Hi. Hello.
Who said hi?
I did.
No, that was not you.
That was me.
That was a little girl on here.
That was me.
That was a little girl on here.
Okay, whatever.
She said hi. I heard her say hi. And then you said hi.
Okay. It was me.
Was there a little girl that said hi?
Yo.
That said no?
That's what it said, yo.
Did you say yo or hi? What did I say?
Duck.
Duck.
Duck for what? What do you want me to duck? You heard that shit. That said duck, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I'm telling you guys, this shit, that spirit just said duck. And I don't know why. And I just duck and she just ducked my girlfriend. Why are you saying to duck? I'm getting chills and goosebumps.
Yeah.
I'm getting the fucking chills and the goosebumps right now. I don't have any of my equipment. The only equipment that I have right now is my fucking EMF reader. What did I say? Leave him alone? Leave who alone?
I was just shining my light over there.
Turn on the light. Leave who alone? Why you want me to leave?
What?
Who's touching these doors? That said Jeremy, huh?
Yes, it did.
Who said my name? Who said my fucking name?
One at a time, please.
One at a time. Who said my name? Who said my name? And who's telling us to leave? I'm getting like the fucking chills. They're really fucking here. You heard that? It said, as soon as I said that, it said to leave. Why you want me to leave? Why do you want me to leave? You heard whatever? Who said whatever? I'm feeling sick to my stomach. Who's making me sick to my stomach? I wonder why I said duck and there's nobody up on the fucking roof.
Yeah.
Why did he tell us to duck? I just heard them saying shadow. Where's the shadow? Is that the shadow right there next to the wall? Shine the light. Is that your shadow right there?
Yes.
You heard that?
Yep.
You guys just heard that spirit said yes. It's right here on the fucking wall part. I could see it and then it's going away. Oh my God, it's standing right there. You see it? The big black shadow? Like a human? You didn't see a big black shadow right there that's shaped like a human.
No.
You did not see that. I saw that shit. Soon as when we started going up, it was going up that way. This cemetery is really freaking haunted, y'all. Who said goddamn? There's something right here.
Heard.
Who said damn? I'm kind of being loud. Camera's all glitching. Tell who to leave. Tell who to leave. Tell who to leave. You're telling the spirit to leave? What spirit are you telling to leave? Did I just see you inside that doorway? That was him in the doorway? Did I say yes? Who said, who's in that doorway? Who's in the doorway? Who's in the doorway? Supposedly they're in that doorway right there. You guys are in that doorway? Are you in that doorway? You heard that? Did I say my name? The fuck was that? That was you farting? Really? You need to stop that shit, scaredy cat. Who's right here with us? I'm hearing shit. Are you behind this tree? Are you on top of that roof? Are you behind this tree right here? Did it just say yeah? It said yeah? Did you just say yeah? Oh, it just said I'm gonna fuck him up. Who are you gonna fuck up? Who are you gonna fuck up?
We aren't doing nothing wrong.
We ain't doing nothing wrong. We ain't trying to harm you guys. Who said they're gonna fuck us up? Are you feeling uncomfortable with us here? Are you feeling uncomfortable with us not being here? Damn camera. You're on camera. I got you guys on camera. Stop playing with my stand. Yeah. Quit it. Where? Where do you hear the whistle? Where do you hear the whistle?
Over there.
Who's whistling? Who's whistling? Who's whistling? I'm feeling sick to my stomach right now. I think this was probably a bad idea to come here. Who's here?
Me. Oh my god, that was like right here.
Who said me?
Okay,
Who said me? We're watching? Who said we're watching? Leave? I can't do my video? I hope this video came out good without this camera. I can't do my video for a little bit? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna die? As you guys could tell, this cemetery is really heated and hot right now. Anywhere we go and whatever we do, we're hearing footsteps, people at the door knocking. We saw a little handprint already on the door that was the witness for you guys. Little child's hand. What else did we hear? Duck down.
yeah.
We saw a shadow, a glowing dark shadow, like right over there. And then now they want to. Was that without the spirit box that I just heard? What I just got? So, we probably might actually be leaving now. Normally we're not like this scared, but for some odd reason, since we haven't been doing this for a while, we've been taking kind of Mondays off here and there. But whatever in this video that you guys see here, who's right here? Are you right here? They said like a ghost. You heard that, right? Who's like a ghost? Who's like a ghost? I feel like
Tourist.
We're the tourists.
Oh.
I think it's time to go. What do you think?
Yeah.
Because I have a feeling bad something might happen.
Yep.
What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? Are you touching me? Feeling someone touching my arms. Who's touching me? Who's touching? I'm hearing footsteps right here in front of this door. Are you in front of that door? I heard that. You heard that?
Yep.
You heard that thunk, huh? I'm getting a weird vibe. I think it's time to go. We already did a 20-minute video.
Okay.
I think I'm good. Who said I am? Normally I don't get scared on going ghost hunting, but they never hear. What was that? You heard that, right? Was that with the swear box or without?
No with.
Alright, now you guys know that this...
Rhinos?
Who's Piranhos? I feel like there's something right here really, really heavy right in front of us. But we can't find it, and I can't see it right now, but I can feel it. I could feel him right here. So, I think it's time to get out of here, and we just got here, and it's really, really active. And it's, see, Tony, y'all, it's fucking active. So, I think I'm good with getting on what I got. So, try to turn that off. Use the
Bye.
light. Goodbye. Do not follow us home.
Go back to where you came from.
That shit was freaky as fuck. Alright, guys. There you guys have it. As you can tell, we did most of the part of the cemetery because I already did those. Actually, you know what?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm about to say bye. So, you heard that?
I just did that.
Oh. For now, guys, what you guys see is what we got on our videos. We got a little girl's handprint on that door right there. We caught so many shadows. We caught so many, I don't know if you guys could have saw the shadows, but there were glowing dark shadows. That was right over there somewhere. And footsteps. Them talking to us, telling us their negative shit, that they're going to want to hurt us. They want us out of here. And I got this bad advice that it's really going to really happen. So, oh, fuck this. Fuck this. Who is that? I heard that shit.
I'm getting in the car.
Don't get in the car yet because I'm about to get in there. I got to record this one more time. So next time, so now you guys know. Seeing a fucking, like a human's face. Alright, now you guys have it. Now next time, take care. Love you guys. Peace, deuces. But yes, we got everything that you guys wanted. Hopefully you guys could see it. Hopefully you guys heard it. Hopefully we did what we could do. And if my comment works, please leave a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, push the notification buttons, and share and like while you guys can on what you guys heard, what what we seen. If you guys think I did bad with videos, go ahead, you can leave a comment. Please just don't be rude or disrespectful, because if you do, I will block you guys. So yeah, so till next time, take care of your guys self. Love you guys. Deuces, peace. But this is really haunted. Come check this place out. Alright guys, I kid you not, we just left from that cemetery, okay? But I gotta show you guys something really fucking cool and creepy as fuck. These are not my fingerprints. These are not my girlfriend's. These are the spirit's fingerprints. Right there, bam. That was not there earlier. See that? That was not there earlier. At all. We just now left from there. There's another caught on scene on our car camera, on a camera.